Today, we formally recognize SFO4 Jose S. Carpio Jr., whose service was marked by courage, discipline, and loyalty. He answered every call with professionalism and upheld the highest traditions and core values of the fire service. As we begin the retirement honor, let us reflect on the legacy of service and leadership that will continue to inspire the next generation of firefighters. The BFP badge pinned on your left chest is a symbol of that legal authority. It was placed near to your heart to remind you of the fidelity and dedication to duty expected of you as a public servant.
Your dedication, discipline, and perseverance have always inspired me. Through long days, challenges, and sacrifices, you never gave up. And you always carried yourself with integrity, humility, and strength.
Daghang salamat sa tanan sa pagmamahal, sa aral at sa walang kapantay na suporta. Happy retirement, Pang, and I'm proud to say that my dad is a retired firefighter.
Pursuant to Section 39 of Republic Act 6975, otherwise known as DILG Act of 1990, upon attaining the age of 56, SFO4 Jose S. Carpio Jr. shall be compulsorily retired from the Bureau of Fire Protection effective 13 January 2026.
I am now turning over my BFP badge, which symbolizes the power and authority vested upon me as a fire officer.
Fire Inspector Jose S. Carpio Jr. retired. You may now detach your badge from your uniform.
The lesson I learned, the joy, the laughters, and even the challenges I hurdle will be with me. And I will always cherish the moment of my life as a firefighter. It's a life of service, it's a life of obedience, and it's a good life. How privileged I am to be blessed with all these things. The words will never be enough to thank our God Almighty.